So we crack on then, we've got to be this is your basic box standard. Any house should have this. After a fair, any sort of mature cheddar, the stronger the better. And of course, well, you've also got to be careful you don't lose your knuckles and your fingers, so you always do with your adult, that's just in case. It's always the best practice to use a good clean one, which I know most students seem to have. But you just carry on as well. What I like to do is obviously try and get as many ingredients as ready before you actually start cooking. That way the sauce is going to be just right without having to wait. Okay, so I'm going to take this all in preparation. There you go, look at that, that's quite simple, right? Then you put it back, right? And of course, all you've got to wash your hands with your well, I do it with one hand. If you prefer, you can do it with two. That'd be fine. Fantastic job there, Dan. No, just the whole egg in there, all three of them, yeah. Two, great, one out. So you just put that in and I'll get you open, you can whisk up the second form as well. Bit of something you make. Chef on the YouTube. As and when needed. This is your background. People talk about fast food. This is the ultimate fast food.
I need somebody help.
Oh, without doubt, healthy. Excellent amount of protein there. Do you like mushrooms, Dan?
I don't like mushrooms, so we won't
Well,
bother.
not any mushrooms in there. Do you like onion?
I like onions, yeah.
Look at that in a section.
Neil, please. What you're looking is for a little emotion here, sort of with the egg, that's fine. Okay. And then, what I would do,
When the ration sells with sort of eggs, with salmonella, that you have to cook eggs with something like that.
most eggs nowadays you find in any high street supermarket where you can check for salmonella, so you can pretty much rest assured that you'll be okay.
Salmonella live in a council estate now, they're not in the equation.
Don't really have it.
Obviously very important, safety first. Be careful you just don't cut yourself. You get that best bit there. Nice job, very important. Okay, so there we go. Obviously, that's your basic omelette there. Anything else you like to add? It's some peppers, courgettes, anything else you can just prepare it the same sort of method. The way I do things is obviously try and get a pan nice and hot.
Yeah, but what's that, a gas lamp? Put that to, I really don't want to use it, but the egg or the omelette,
No,
what you have it top temperature.
top temperature. I generally just keep a pan up a cup of egg. You generally find out you can touch it. That's when you know it's hot. And then
the decorating in the kitchen.
All the ones in.
Or is that butter?
Oh yeah, a little bit of butter. Okay, just one little lump of butter, so butter actually gives it a nice colour if you like that, and also gives it a nice kind of richness as well. So once you get your pan nice and hot, okay, just a small amount of oil. Okay. Then just a bit of butter. Okay. And obviously, Dan, what you actually find is the more you do this, the quicker you actually become at it. Okay.
And of course the preparation which went to the start is going to...
Yeah, that's right. Okay.
Yeah, we'll just put fry off your onions, or shallots.
These only take a few seconds. The shallots obviously being the French, small onion.
Oh, right.
There you go. You get the smells already? Yeah.
Delicious.
Rossi, shallot. That's Spanish, isn't it? Rossi.
Alright. And then, now, how do you like your omelets? Do you like them over, or do you like them quite runny, or do you like them?
I've got indulgent omelette that often, so I mean, indulge. I can't say I have a preference.
Okay. And then, quickly add that in. The idea is, take it away from the side, push it in. Keep your heat at the same temperature, don't need to do much. Pardon? That's the egg actually cooking.
Oh!
Chicken? No. You could do obviously if you like to. And then you actually
Anything goes in?
anything goes at all. You can put potatoes in here. And then once you get to that sort of stage, you can see it starting to not resemble scrambled egg, but if you go any further, then that's all you actually end up with is this scrambled egg. Okay, so you're almost just about done. Finally, sprinkle the cheese. Okay, and obviously at this point, if you wish, you could add some salt and pepper.
Yeah.
Obviously, being the health conscious kind of guy you are. Okay, and an ideal omelette should be nice and light in colour underneath. So if you just like to pass your plate out down from your cupboard, that'd be great. To your kitchen. Okay.
So obviously the next big question is presentation. Is there something you would add?
Well, presentation. Obviously, if you're cooking to impress and set a little bit of garnish of potatoes, vegetables, and some salad there wouldn't go amiss. But obviously, just yourself, if you're something quick, nourishing, wholesome, brown sauce would do it fine. Alright, can't wait to get it.
They need a fork. You try it, not yet.
Do you like that? Oh yeah. I'll obviously help. I'll just take it from this side.
What are they saying?
Alright.
Obviously fast food, as the chef would do.
That's obviously chicken masters.
Well, we're going to leave you on that note.
Go on,
Hope you enjoyed the show and
Wait, what's your thing?
So come back next
Oh,
week
chef
to see
after
that
all.
at Manson 40.
That's not for the future.